Maybe it's not happening right now, but you know the feeling. You're upset about something. Maybe you had an argument and you just can't let it go. It's just still getting you going. Or maybe someone blindsided you and you're in shock and you just don't know, you're not anywhere, right? This is going to be two movements. One of them is going to be purging that energy out, and the other one will be centering, getting you back into center, lining your energy all up again. And so let's start with the purging part. So basically, we're lifting our feet up onto the toes and we're just dropping. So you can bring up your hands into light fists and just exhale with that. Yeah. Sorry, my whole floor shakes. This is an earth floor, but it's on a raised foundation. So I did the earth floor myself. It's really nice. It's got nice texture, but everything's connected. So the key thing is when you lift up your feet onto the balls, energy lifts up in the body. And when you slam into the heels, energy goes down and out. And so this is really nice movement for getting out of shock, getting back into your body, getting grounded, and letting go of all the crap. You know, if it's a really bad argument, you can maybe scream even a little bit. Low scream. Or growl. Something like that. And, you'll know when you're done. If we're not feeling too much right now, which we're not, probably, then just a few of these is good. What we're really releasing now is just any residual kind of tension or, and if you're processing trauma memories and stuff like that, this is a good one just to get the energy out of the body, shake it out in a slam it out basically. And then we'll come back to center. So just take a moment to notice how your body's feeling. Probably a lot of buzzing, right? Once we get rid of the stagnant chi, the fresh chi just starts moving in. And we're going to do a move called centering. So one hand at the belly, the other hand can be there too, but we're going to be going up, just gathering all of our energy in our field and then bringing it right down the center. And the other side. Really nice one for just lining up your center, lining up your energy. Inhale as we come up and we'll exhale, just a soft exhale as we go down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. This is just, if you don't have time to purge or don't need to, this is really good. If you're not feeling like you're thinking really straight or you're just dazed a little bit, this brings you right into center. If you've gotten news that's a little bit unsettling, just collect up your energy and bring it into center. Very nice flow. In fact, in martial arts, one of the things you can do to defeat your opponent is to cross their center. So you go like this across their body, and if you're close enough, it messes with their energetic field. And then the next time you go in with you do that, they're thrown off for a millisecond, right? And then you go in with the kill, the kill punch, because they won't be able to defend it. So if someone ever does that to you, if they throw you off your center, if they cross you, then the best way to bring yourself back to center is this movement. It's really simple. It's just smoothing out your etheric field, that energy that's all around your body, which is an extension of you. You want to keep that all centered. So you're collecting up all your thoughts, everything, just bringing you into center. Another nice thing to do while you're doing is just notice how your feet are touching the floor. They're touching the ground. So just feeling yourself back in your space, back in your body. And it's safe. It's you and source. And we'll do one more to each side. Bring our hands over our belly. Slow, deep breathing. Just integrate everything. You're a fresh, new you. Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. You're doing so well. I'll see you tomorrow.